Hi everyone, my name is Jen and I work at the Wadsworth Public Library where I primarily provide programs and services for teens and tweens. One of the programs that I particularly enjoy doing at the Wadsworth Public Library is our escape programs. We use a platform called BreakoutEDU in order to do these particular escape programs where students get together as a team and there is a physical box with locks on the front of it. And the object of the game is for students to work together, solving a number of clues around the room in order to find the combinations for the locks on the breakout box in order to open the box in a particular amount of time. Obviously, since we're not in the building and we're not able to do this type of physical escape event, the good folks at BreakoutEDU have brought their platform to the virtual environment where you can participate with a number of other students around the country to solve BreakoutEDU sessions. So I am going to walk you through that and show you how to do it. And hopefully whenever the library reopens, we will be able to do these in person again. So this is the BreakoutEDU Live platform that they are running currently. You do not need to download anything in order to play. You do not need to purchase anything. All you need to do is every weekday at 2 p.m. is go to the website breakoutedu.com/live and everything will start right then and you can play right on your computer or your tablet or even your phone. So basically, if you play live, you have the opportunity to win prizes. You will get an escape room kit for yourself and also a BreakoutEDU box for your school or your library as well. So it's really fun. You get to play with other people and have the opportunity to win prizes. If you're not able to tune in live, you can still play past games. If you scroll down here, you can see some of the ones they've done already. Wednesday, April 15 was math. There's one about authors, one about dances, and states and signs. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the past episodes, and this will show you how the live game works. It's just a little different. Obviously that it's not live and you're not able to win prizes. So a facilitator from BreakoutEDU will lead you through each game as soon as it loads here. And then down here, this is where you will enter your answers. So you can see here that the first 3 clues are words, and the last clue will be a directional clue. So north, south, east, or west. This is where you enter your answer. You can just click on them with your mouse, or if you're using a tablet, you can just touch your screen. If you make a mistake and you need to start over, you can hit clear. And then whenever you think you have the correct answer, go ahead and hit next, and the program will let you know whether or not you are correct. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and it will show you how the game works.
Hey there! Welcome to BreakoutEDU Live, the educational game show that lets you stretches your mind muscles and win awesome prizes. We're super excited that you've tuned in today, and we're ready to get started. Have an awesome show lined up for you. All right? So, first up, want to congratulate our winner yesterday. We had Jade. Jade was our big finisher raffle winner. That meant that Jade watched the show and was able to answer all of the questions and was entered into the finisher raffle where she won a BreakoutEDU kit for her classroom or for her library and a copy of Breakout Home. So again, today you're going to be playing for those same awesome prizes. Breakout Home, it is an escape room that you can play right in your living room. It's super exciting. It's shipping now at breakouthome.com, but you can enter to win one right here today if you...
So this is explaining some of the things you can win and how it works. I'm going to scroll ahead to the clue. Let's see.
Live video feed right here on the screen. And then below me, you're going to see the place where you can answer your question. Up here, you're going to see the clue for all the questions. So I'll put up something on the screen and ask a question. Let's say it's, what is the one animal that you'll always find at a baseball stadium? And then you would scroll down to enter your answer. And you'll see by the type of puzzle, whether it be letters or numbers, shapes, colors, or directions, what it is that we're looking for as the answer. Here I'm looking for letters, and you can see there are 3 input circles, so I'm looking for a 3-letter answer. Again, what is an animal that you'd find at a baseball stadium? Well, the answer is bat, so I would enter BAT either by typing it on the keyboard or by tapping on the on-screen keyboard and then pressing next. If I get it right, the next question will automatically appear and you can scroll. All right, so today's topic.
So it's really fun, super easy. You don't need any special software. Just go to the website, play with your friends, play with people around the country, hopefully win some cool prizes. And then when the library is reopened, we can do our Breakout EDU events in person. So I hope you'll try it out. Let me know how it goes, and we will see you soon. Take care.